Picture yourself in the 2019 Ram ProMaster 2500. With less than 5,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, backup camera, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, intermittent wipers, tire pressure monitoring system, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.